Hello everybody, welcome back to Legend of Zelda Skyward Well then, let's venture in. What the? Give it back! I hate you back! You won't hurt me now. Hey look, a green rupee. Green rupees? You're useless in chess. I think you... I think... The tunnel creating stun instant thing. Let's... Oh my goodness, the lights! Help me! Ah! There. You take that. Hey, water! I can drink. Oh, I can't drink any water. Yeah. Monster horn! Yes, these keep on saying it each time you come back into the game. Yep. If you're just like me, you know how annoying it is. Can you all grab? Just for the sake of rupees. But this is the treasure chest up there. Yeah, but don't let any of the jelly things survive because they become bigger. Come back here. Get this rupee. There is a chest that some people. Hey, look, pop! Rupee. I don't need any hearts. Okay, let's see how it survives. Come on, there, the bigger slime. Oh man, I should have done the bigger slime. Oh, get it. So get my rupee. You can't follow me to the sunlight. Ha ha. Now then, save. Zelda, where? Hey, oh, there you are. Ooh, she's calling. Wait, is it a text message or a phone? Or is it magic? I... Oh, what? Ah. Look, the bird. You what I say? I say? Oh wait, wrong spot. Now, shut up, bird. Get my. I hear it. The surface. Ooh. I wonder what's on the surface. Which we are on now. Now then. Time for the leap of faith. Now then. I call my birds. I summon the red birds. Yes. I don't care, Bizzo. Bizzo, you. Oh yeah, if you want to do this stuff, you just shake your remote. Duh, duh. Okay, that's it guys for this part. I'm going to do another, okay? Now then, I'll see you in the next part. Before, after this jerk. You know what I say to this jerk? Eat my feather butt. I mean kiss my feather butt, not eat it. That'd be disgusting. I say, I don't have feathers. God. Unless I kick you in the crotch. Oh, busted again! You know what? I'm gonna kick you in the crotch. If you're wondering, yes, I do hate this guy, but he is pretty useful in the future of the game. Well, that's it guys. See you later!